Welcome to the 3-Minute Travel Channel. Our channel aims to deliver the charm of travel in a short amount of time. Let's embark on fun and exciting journeys together. Welcome, fellow origami enthusiasts. If you're eager to explore the captivating world of traditional Japanese art, look no further. Imagine embarking on a thrilling journey into the realm of origami, where paper comes alive with the power of your hands. In the heart of Japan, there are numerous workshops and cultural centers that offer an exciting and immersive experience in the art of origami. Join a fun-filled tour guided by skilled artisans, who will lead you through the fascinating history and secrets of this ancient craft. Picture yourself surrounded by vibrant colors and an atmosphere buzzing with creativity. Feel the texture of delicate paper beneath your fingertips as you fold and unfold, step by step, turning flat sheets into intricate masterpieces. Your journey will be filled with laughter and awe as you discover how a simple square of paper can transform into elegant cranes, blossoming flowers, and mystical creatures. Throughout this one-of-a-kind tour, you'll learn the symbolism behind each creation, understanding the deeper cultural significance embedded in every fold. Unlock the secrets of patience, precision, and artistry that have been passed down through generations. But wait, there's more. Beyond the art itself, immerse yourself in the warm embrace of Japanese culture. Savor traditional tea ceremonies, indulge in delicious sushi, and witness the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossoms in bloom. So, if you're ready to embark on a whirlwind adventure through the world of origami, a fusion of creativity, history, and joy, Japan is calling you. Join us on this unforgettable journey, where you'll not only learn the art but also create memories that will last a lifetime. Unleash your imagination, and let the magic of origami unfold before your very eyes. Thank you